What's your name, good sir?
Sam.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Anthony here.
I am currently standing next to Jessica, and I'm standing next to Cedric.
And we have Amanda. Is it your first desert experience?
Yes, it is.
Oh, no way,
Yeah,
really?
yeah.
It's your first time?
Yes.
And how are you finding your desert experience so far?
This is awesome. This is really exhilarating. It's cool to like have the camel experience. And
Yeah, the camel is pretty
the
cool.
dune bashing on the way in was fun. So,
Dune bashing
yeah.
is a lot of fun.
Yes, it is.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Nice. And what have you experienced so far?
So we did some dune bashing
Okay.
in the Land Cruisers. Then I got my headscarf put on.
Hey,
and then
classic,
Now
classic.
we're doing some dune.
Some
dune
dune-
buggy. Yeah.
dune-
Yes, it is. It's a big change from what back in Canada because it's very green out there, not so
Yeah,
much
of
here,
course.
but it's really nice.
I think it has a different type of vibe, a different type of energy, right?
Oh, definitely.
What do you think of the dune buggies?
Love it, bro. Love it. Got a
Yeah?
chance to do. I'm not supposed to do any drifting, but I might have done a little bit, but he didn't see.
We
me,
cannot
so it's
confirm nor deny of any of these activities, but what we do know is that you had a good time,
I had a
right?
great time.
Yeah, it's really cool just driving the buggies around and exploring.
I think the buggy is the next level thing, especially like in the desert because of like the softness of the sand. It really is very different than the rigid mountain sort of experience.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's something I haven't experienced before in the desert specifically, so it's an experience.
Yeah, my driver was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was told.
Why did you choose this safari?
We really want to see the desert, and this experience is really
It's unique, huh?
amazing. Yeah,
It is very unique.
And we wanted something with not a lot of people, and there is just a few couple with us, and it's really comfortable.
What are you looking forward to after all this?
I'm really excited to the fire show from what I heard. Yes.
Everybody's looking for like the fire, dancing, food, the whole.
Yep. I heard the food's amazing here, so I'm really excited just to have that experience as well.
A little more cultural and experience.
You know, you heard
And,
about the food,
yeah.
the fire, the whole camp
Yeah,
thing,
all
right?
The things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to the food. I hear the dancing is epic as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm actually going to go and sandboard afterwards as well.
Well, I'll see you later.
Yeah, nice
and I'm
one.
happy to hear that you enjoyed yourself.
Thanks, bro.
Sam right here.
To book your tickets, check the description below.